Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot without any kind of buttons on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if I use my palm and I go like this across the screen, it'll take a screenshot. So this is actually a setting and it's not very convenient, but it does take a screenshot sometimes when you do that. So you can see a screenshot was taken right there, and you can get used to it and better at it. But if we go to settings right here on our Samsung phone and scroll on down, there's an option under here called Advanced Features. We can tap on this, scroll on down, and this will be under Motions and Gestures. Tap this, and then we can scroll on down, and we have Palm Swipe to Capture. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. So it's kind of like this. I'm just going to swipe it across. It'll take a screenshot, and then I can go ahead and view it. So you can do that at any point in time. So you have that turned on, and there might be another option under Accessibilities that shows a button on your screen. So we can go to Accessibilities and just see if we have this button under here. So it could be under Advanced Settings down here, and just look at this. It's called Accessibility button, and we can just turn this on, and there should be an option for screenshot in here. So just look through here and see if you can go ahead and just turn this on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.